Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have the 24 days of Clinique favorites advent calendar. Now the Clinique Australia team have kindly gifted this for us to unbox together. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. Today we unbox this beautiful Clinique advent calendar. Packaging is in their classic white and green colorway, and inside we have 24 individually boxed items. This one has discovery size products and is valued at over 491 Australian dollars. Now this was retailing at 230 Australian dollars, but it is currently on sale. I will leave a link below on where you can get it. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So on the first day, we have the Mini All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap in Mild. So this is their dermatologist developed gentle cleanser. This is actually for dry combination skin, which I actually have, but it does come in other variations such as combination oily and more. Now this is actually step 1 in their 3-step skincare system. It's 30 mils and you use it twice a day. So on to number 2, and we have the Mini Clarifying Lotion 2. Now this is step 2 in the 3-step skincare system, and it's meant to be used twice a day as an exfoliating lotion. This is 60 mils and is also for dry combination skin. This is designed to make your skin smoother and more radiant. Number 3 is the Mini Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. This is in the color Intense Ebony. This is actually a very pigmented pencil. Now the full size actually comes with a smudger tool on the other side. Now this one doesn't come with it, it's just the pencil. Day 4 is the Mini All About Eyes. This is 5 mils and is their lightweight cream eye gel. This is perfect for reducing puffiness and under eye circles. Now for a long time, I never actually thought I had like eye bags or dark circles, but recently though, I do be needing this. On to day 5, and it is the Mini Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. This is 30 mils and you can use it for lids, lashes, and lips. So you can see the line separating here. Now, before you use it, you're supposed to shake it up really well. This works really well for people with contact lenses as well. It's super gentle, doesn't sting, and I love that it's still able to remove things like waterproof mascara. I've been looking for something really good with makeup removers, so I'm definitely gonna give this a go. Number 6 is the Mini Blushing Blush in Precious Posy. This is their powder blush and it's a really nice rosy color. This one is also oil free. Day number 7, and we have the Blush Brush. I love that this is in the big size. You can never really have too many brushes. So they don't even really sell the blush brush on their website, so I consider this like a limited edition brush. On day number 8, we have the Mini Deep Comfort Hand and Cuticle Cream. This is 30 mils and is meant to treat your hands to 12 hours of hydration. I love that this isn't just a hand cream, it actually conditions your nails and cuticles too. Moving on to day 9, and we have the Mini Pop Splash Lip Gloss Plus Hydration. This is in the shade Air Kiss and is 1.5 mils. It's a lovely peach color, and this lip gloss has a sensational shine and a pop of color. Now this is also ultra hydrating, which we love. Next is day 10, and we have the Mini Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This one is 15 mils and I've heard so many good things about this one. It's a silky balm formula and it removes even the toughest makeup. I am dying to compare this to my other makeup removers. Box 11 is the Mini Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. This one is 15 mils and is an antioxidant infused water gel that is super light. This is meant to have intense moisture and retains hydration for up to 72 hours. Now I recently went to the Moisture Surge pop-up event and I actually fell in love with their range. On day 12 we have the Mini Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Now this is 30 mils and it's another dermatologist developed product. This has a blend of barley, sunflower, and cucumber. This doesn't just moisturize your skin, it actually strengthens the moisture barrier on your skin too. Now this is step 3 in the 3-step skincare system. We move on to day 13 and we have the Mini All About Clean. Now this is a rinse off foaming cleanser. This is 30 mils and is a cream mousse cleanser which works great for removing makeup too. This one has glycerin and hyaluronic acid and it's non-drying to your skin. Now I also usually really love mousse cleansers. Box 14 is the Mini Pop Lip Color and Primer in the shade Love Pop. This is a lovely deep violet color with some shimmer to it. It has primer in it too, so it adds to the moisture lock. Moving on to day 15 and it's the Mini 7-Day Scrub Cream. Now this is a rinse off formula and it's 30 mils. It helps to deflake and refine your skin whilst minimizing the appearance of any fine lines. I love that this one is gentle enough to use daily. This would be so perfect for winter. Now we have 16 and it's the Mini Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. Now I love their Chubby Stick lippies so much. This one is in the shade 07 Super Strawberry and is another violet lip color. This has a beautiful satin finish and is an amazing tinted lip balm. We are up to day 17 and we have the Mini Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream. This contains hyaluronic acid and peptides and is 5 mils. Considering how much I love eye creams, I think I will really like this one. On to day 18 and we have the Mini Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum. I actually really love this range because I've been investing in anti-aging products lately. This is 10 mils and is a laser-focused clinical serum that can target wrinkles from multiple angles. Again, this one contains hyaluronic acid and it contains potent retinoids. Box 19 is the Mini Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. This is 7 mils and is an oil-free mask that helps your skin become soft, dewy, and glowing the next day. I always love overnight masks. I just feel like they are so much more hydrating and that extra step that your skin needs. Day 20 is the Mini All About Clean 2-in-1 Cleansing and Exfoliating Jelly. Now this is another cleanser and this is the deep cleaning one. I actually think I really need this one because it removes buildup from pollution and other impurities. This is 30 mils and includes 2 types of exfoliants, the salicylic acid and the bamboo beads. Now it's still gentle enough to use daily, which I find really cool. In box 21, we have the Mini Moisture Surge Eye 96-Hour Hydro Filler Concentrate. I haven't tried this one before, but it's meant to give 96 hours of intense moisture and crease plumping hydration to your eye area. This one is 5 mils, which is plenty when it comes to the eye area. Day 22 is the Mini Moisture Surge 100 Hours Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. Now this is a cult favorite and delivers up to 100 hours of hydration. It gives you a dewy glow and is an oil-free gel cream. This is super light on the skin, which I love. Now it is 30 mils and impressively it goes 10 layers deep into your skin. We are up to the second last day and we have the Mini Even Better Clinical Radical Dark Spot Corrector and Interrupter. This is a serum, it's 10 mils and it's meant to improve dark spots, age spots and blemishes. I've never actually tried a spot corrector before, so I'm really excited to find out how this works. We are up to the last day and on the last day we have the Mini Lash Power Mascara. This is 6 mils and lasts up to 24 hours after wearing without smudging or smearing. It's also meant to last through sweat, humidity, and tears. I'm guessing this will be really popular for brides-to-be. This is the 24 days of Clinique Favorites Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Now personally, I actually haven't tried that many Clinique products, only the lip products, but I am so glad that they included a lot of cult favorites in here so that I can discover the range slowly through these products. Now, I want to also thank the Clinique Australia team for sending this advent calendar for us to unbox together. Now, if you are a Clinique fan, these are currently on sale, so I will leave a link below on where you can get it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!